Hello, I will talk briefly about the stars. The closest star to the Earth is our Sun, and it is 150 million kilometers from the Earth. It takes 8 minutes to the Sun's rays to reach the Earth. So in general you can say that any celestial body that emits heat and light as a result of nuclear fusion is defined as a star, whereas any celestial body that rotates around a star is defined as a planet. So our Earth is a planet that rotates around the Sun, that is a star, and actually the Earth completes one orbit around the Sun in 365 days, or in 1 year. The next closest star to Earth is the star Proxima Centauri, that is 4 light years from the Earth. That is to say that the light that is emitted from the star Proxima Centauri travels for 4 years to reach the Earth. So if theoretically there was a wedding in the star Proxima Centauri, and the wedding was broadcasted live to Earth, and if, for example, the pictures from the wedding arrived to Earth now at April 2023, actually the wedding on the star Proxima Centauri took place at April 2019, because it took to the pictures to arrive from Proxima Centauri to Earth 4 years. Okay, so in general you can say that when you look at the stars, you are actually looking into the past. Okay, so what is a star? A star is actually a spherical celestial body, consists of matter in state of gas and plasma aggregation, and I will talk now about the structure of the stars in the universe. The stars in the universe are organized in structure called galaxies, and the galaxies in turn are organized in structures of galaxy clusters, and the galaxy clusters in turn are organized in structure of superclusters, and the superclusters in turn are organized in structures called great walls. And the great walls are actually the largest structure known in the visible universe. So what is a galaxy? A galaxy is a collection of many stars held together by the force of gravity, and all the stars in a galaxy rotate around the center of the galaxy. An example of a galaxy is the Milky Way, and actually the solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. So is the Earth, that actually is located in the solar system, that is located in the in the Milky Way galaxy. The number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy is about 200 billion stars. Other estimation is 400 billion stars. So, and all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy rotate around the center of the galaxy. So that is the galaxy. And a collection of many galaxies that held together by the force of gravity is called a galaxy cluster. And a galaxy cluster can contain from hundreds of galaxies up to thousands of galaxies that held together by the force of gravity. Okay, and a collection of galaxy clusters that held together by the force of gravity is called a supercluster. Supercluster can contain thousands of galaxy clusters that held together by the force of gravity and move in the universe as one unit. And we have a bigger cluster, a collection of superclusters that held together by the force of gravity and move as one unit in the universe is called Great Wall. And the Great Wall is actually the largest structure known in the visible universe. And an example of Great Wall is the huge LGQ. The huge LGQ is 1 billion light years far away from the Earth, and the size of huge LGQ is about 1.37 billion light years long. So we can summarize the topic of the structure of the stars in the universe, and we can say that the stars in the universe are organized in the structure of galaxies that in turn are organized in structure of galaxy clusters that are in turn organized in a structure of superclusters, and the superclusters are organized in a structure of great walls. Okay, so that is the structure of the stars in the visible universe. Okay, thank you very much.